Oh, baby. Good morning, beautiful. Wow. Okay. So, guys, right off the bat, I want to make one thing clear and straight. These tow mirrors will be always out. Reason being for that is because I cannot see anything with these things down. I almost smashed into everybody. Couldn't see anything. So with them being down, it was the vision was horrible. Oh, again, and my apologies. Welcome back to another video, guys. Now, also another thing about old dirt. Oh my, whoops. Should I edit that part out? I almost said about another thing about Dirty Max over here. Sorry, I'm gonna have to get used to that saying another thing about I guess old Cummins girl over here. But a lot of you guys asked me, what color is this? Is it the Summit White or is it just the bright white? I just got the regular, white. There's no like no flakes, no pearl, anything like that. Actually, I'll look at the sticker and see exactly what the color is called. So according to the sticker here, it is just called a bright white. Okay, that's it, bright white. But now it's time to start old bad girl up here, and well, we're gonna have to go get the first mod done to it. So let's do a cold start for you guys. Oh baby, are you ready? Get ready to listen to her purr. Here we go. Hit that twice. Boom. Here you go, guys. Wow. Can you hear it? Shh. Woo. Yeah, okay, we're gonna have to fix that. All right, guys, we have just arrived here at the Vinyl Works, and Hector is getting down. And what? I didn't get your name. I'm sorry. What's your name?
Richard. Bro.
Richard. Nice to meet you, man. And Richard is getting down on the windshield over here also as well. So for you guys that are wondering and asking, they're gonna just cut it and measure it, and then we're gonna put this wood grain right here on the windshield because I want it, to match the wood grain inside. So the whole windshield will be wood grain. The side windows will be wood grain, everything. Okay, no, I'm just messing with you guys. But, no, what they're really doing is tinning it. Hector, that's the 50%, correct?
50 crystalline. Richard's doing your windshield.
So it is 50 crystalline, and Richard has to do it because, why?
Crystalline master.
Oh, he's the crystalline master. Okay. What makes the difference between, I guess, I should say crystalline and the tint that you do?
Probably like 10 times harder to install, to heat shrink.
Oh, it's harder to install. Okay.
To get certified in that, that's like a whole different category. It's crazy.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And the price of that is quadruple.
Damn. Okay. So then if we got any issues, we blame it on Richard. Okay. Okay. Only for the front windshield, though. He's not going to do the sides.
Yeah.
Okay. And I guess this is the film that blocks a crazy amount of heat out? Okay.
Crystalline.
Crystalline. Now, we're not doing that on the sides because they don't have it dark enough. But we're going to double it up.
Right.
Okay, perfect.
5%.
So guys, what we're going to do on the sides is he's going to throw a layer in the front to match the back. And then we have to let it dry. And then we're going to cover the whole thing again with 5%. So there will be 20% all around. And then 5%, or is it 25 or 20? I don't know. Something like that. 20 or 25. Match it all up, and then we will do 5% all around, and hopefully this thing looks just nice and just perfect. But as of right now, guys, just a little update. I know you guys are gonna ask me. I'm extremely happy with the truck still. Again, it hasn't even been 24 hours, but so far so good. I'm loving the thing, man. Give it just the right amount of light. What are you doing over here exactly?
I'm making a floor graphic.
Oh, nice. Oh, this is going to be on the floor.
Yeah.
Beverly Hills. Nice.
That's what I'm talking about. Laminate makes it more stronger, but there's a laminate ready to go on the floor.
Oh, so you fancy. You doing the Beverly Hills stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. My bad.
So people can walk over and
it doesn't chip it or pick it up.
It's all one thing.
Nice. All right. Let's go check on. Oh, there's the. So Richard has cut out the windshield. Or the tint, I guess, for the windshield. And, whew. Oh, there you go, guys. Look at that. So, see this? This is your confirmation. Make sure it has a 3M logo on it. So, you know that it's the real, it's the good stuff. Now, I don't know, how... So, it's Richard, right?
Yeah, Richard.
So, how do you make sure, it's clean where you don't get no hair or bubbles, or... Is that just...
All in the prep work.
Kind of, yeah, prepping.
Prep work, yeah. Just squeegee after squeegee until you feel like it's
perfect. Okay. All right, perfect. Then we got Hector. Now, Hector, you're making. Whoa, dropping shit over here. You're making the cutouts.
Yeah.
So let's. Yeah, I'll show you guys over here real quick. So he's doing the same thing. I don't know if you guys remember, like we did to the Jeep. He's doing the same thing on the computer here, where he's going to cut it out, pick the truck, year, make, model, and it's going to cut it out and make it perfect.
Here it is, like 3500.
Yep.
Okay, yours crew or mega?
Mega cap.
There's your truck.
Bam, look at that.
Your rears right here.
All right. Just like that, guys. Bam. It's that easy. Wait, that says 2009.
19.
Oh, 9 through 19. Oh, wow. Okay, so same thing. I guess for the tint world. Nice. And for you guys to keep asking me about the lift, tires, you know, covers, all that stuff, I'm going to let you guys know in the vlog. Just stay tuned. Just keep checking, and I'm going to update you guys. I picked out a lot of stuff already, but a lot of the stuff that I want is not out yet. So I'm kind of still sitting here waiting until I get the phone call saying, hey, it's out. You can, you know, purchase, you know, everything for the truck. Dude, look at him bumping over here. Oh. All right, so I walk out here, guys, and you know, I was on the phone out here, and something caught my eye. Something right out of the corner of my eye. I was like, what the heck? And well, look at that. I was like, oh man, like, is that a sign? Like, and for some reason, these things have been popping up everywhere. You know, I keep seeing them on the road. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's telling me, hey, stupid, you made the wrong decision. What are you doing? But that looks like a newer one because it's got the new style L5P grill, and it looks, yeah, it's got, I don't know if it's a 3500, but it does have the cab lights up top on it. And let's see. I think it's a Pearl. Yeah, it looks like a Pearl. Well, I gotta say, man, these are beautiful trucks. I'm not gonna lie. This is a very, very nice truck. All right, guys. So he's just finished the windshield, and man, I gotta say, it's a beauty. There's a thing of beauty right there, and it's literally like perfect. And my only thing was I was like, oh man, I hope I don't have to keep this. So when you guys do get crystalline tent, it has a 3M logo that is stuck in there, as you guys know. Well, it's not stuck in there, but it does come right off. But they leave it on until the customer sees it, so they know that, hey, it's really 3M and they're not getting ripped off. Oh damn, it's everywhere. And they put it everywhere over here. Okay. There you go. Because, you know, if I was stuck with that, I'd be staring at that 3M logo all day. But let me show you guys a little difference here between 20 and 5. I mean, that clearly looks like it's like clear, like it's not even tinted. Look at that. Let me show you. I'll show you from a outside view. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell outside or not, but yeah, you can kind of tell, but it still looks dark. You can mainly tell inside of the cab the difference of the window tint and not from the outside. I'll show you here one more time. I don't know if you can see that. Well, bam, there you go. Big shout out to Jimmy for the lunch. Thank you, Jimmy. I appreciate the panda. And guys, oh man, wait till you see when Hector's all done here. This thing, so you got the windshield. Once I'm done, I'll get up and show you guys. But oh baby, this thing looks good. All right, guys, she's almost done. So Hector now has finished the rear, finished the back windows. He finished the side window right here. Put the 20%. Oh, too late. Can't tell now, but he put the 20%. Now we are covering it with the 5%. So it's 20 and then 5, and then the windshield, we end up doing 50% on the windshield because the crystalline film is a little darker than, I guess, your generic film. So it's more of like, it's closer to maybe like a 40, 30, 40, somewhere between there, where if you were to put a 50 on, you know, just regular film, because it's not crystalline, I guess it's something in the film makes it a little darker, he said. Hector, do you know what he was saying when, why it makes it a little darker inside? Is just because the crystalline film?
Crystalline film.
Crystalline?
Like a purple hue to it. So it
purple hue, okay.
Yeah, it kind of gives it that darker tone.
Yeah, I mean, because you guys can see, it's pretty dang dark in there. It looks good. I think if I go in here,
Whole truck's tinted. There's just double layer in the front right now.
Double, okay. So, So everything pretty much is going to just match up beautiful. I like it. Can't wait. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is with the 20% or no 25. This is for the 25% in the front. I don't know. It's kind of hard to see, but I mean, I don't know. That's it. That's all I can show you guys. I know it looks the same, but that is only 20%, and that's the second one he's gonna put on there. Yeah, I don't know. Well, you can't tell in camera. Well, you can kind of tell it because you see like a little
bit.
Yeah, so.
You can see your gauges from here. You get the front.
Oh yeah, there you can see the. Well, yeah, there you go. Okay, so you can see the. Well, yeah, I don't know. Sorry guys, it's the best I can do for you. All right, guys, she is all done, all blacked out. Oh, I'm ready. I can't wait. Finally, I couldn't stand driving this thing, looking like a dang fishbowl. But now everything's got all doubled up. There you go. Windshield is done. Woo! Man, she's looking good. She's looking good. All right, guys, we just got home. Good old Rammer is back in here. Oh, I got a quick question for you guys also, for my subscribers out there. So I noticed this like black satin, you know, little Chinggis, and I don't like it. I wish it was white. Now, I did notice though, this is like a sticker, but I don't know if I should peel this off. Is it gonna be white under here? Let me know for my Ram guys out there, you know, if I can just peel this off and make this white, or no, don't peel it off because it's not painted or it's primered or whatever. Let me know, because if I can't peel that off and it's white, I would love to do that, just because I like the white pillars better than just the black ones. But windows are done. Windshield is tinted. Yes, if you're wondering why the hood is open, well, I'm just playing around, looking around in there. I just want to see, you know, if there's any big changes or anything fancy going on in here. But other than that, that's it, guys. The tint turned out great. Windshield turned out great. Stay tuned. We got more stuff coming to it. I will do some more vlogs for you guys. Do like a full walk around for you. Do some videos of, you know, my pros, my cons about the truck. I found some things I love. I found some things I hate about it also. You know, the main thing I hate is the mirrors, like I've told you guys. Just, I mean, you guys tell me, put them down, put them down. I can't put them down. When I put them down, I almost smash somebody. So I can't see. I'm used to them like that. So stay tuned. There'll be a lot of videos with this thing. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.